Hi everyone, Peter from Tool Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making fridge peg magnets. So you're going to need your sheets with your pictures on, your little strips of magnet, your pegs, and then you also need some glue and some felt tip pens. So you can either use these drawings or you can pop it over and then draw your own. But I've done these so you can just colour them in. I'm going to do the little monster. Just colour them in. So now you're just going to cut your drawing out. Once you cut it out, just use a black felt tip, just go around the edge, makes it look better. Next, you're going to take one of your pegs, you're going to stick the magnet onto the pegs, just peel off the back and stick that down. And then you're going to get your glue, you're going to put a load of glue on the peg. And you're going to stick your drawing down. There you go, and there's your fridge peg magnets. You can hang all your bits up, and you're all done.